So it's spring, and what comes spring is a flourishing of the plants, the mushrooms, and all the good stuff. So it's a rainy day. I got the raincoat in the pack basket, got a shovel, saw, a couple knives, and bear spray. And I'm heading out here in the deep woods, doing some foraging. So let's see what we can find. I know what we're gonna find because I'm going to one of my patches. I'll show you in a minute. You stick around for this because you're not gonna want to miss it. In case you didn't notice, behind me, all around, wild ramps, wild leeks, ramps. Some people call them wild garlic, which is incorrect because there is already a wild garlic. If you don't know what they are, they come out in the springtime. They like moist, hilly sides. When the leaves appear on the trees, these die out. That's pretty much it for the year. They're very slow growing, patch-wise. If you find them, don't just start picking them. See how many's there. My rule of thumb is 1/10 a patch per season, no more. So if you have 10 plants, take one plant. That's pretty much it. If you want to see them come back every year and multiply and not just stabilize. They have a garlicky onion flavor. You can eat the leaves, you can eat the bulbs. They're absolutely delicious. They're a delicacy for this time of year. The mosquitoes are really bad always in the ramp patches. So anyways, these are ramps. I'm going to show you how to dig them, and maybe I'll cook with them later too. I might do that in another video though. But let's see what we got here. Take the pack off and get situated and start digging. Alright, so when you dig them, sometimes you just go underneath like that. That cuts the little hair roots. You don't want to go too shallow. A couple inches below. Anyways, you notice me knocking dirt off and picking some stuff. I'm not getting too particular about it because let me tell you why. You don't want to clean them in the woods because all the leaves and that membrane right there on the outside and some of the soil is going to keep these moist. They're going to keep them perky while you transport them till you get them home and you do the proper cleaning. And I'll go through that after too. But that's basically it. That's harvesting ramps right there. And I smell nothing but onion, garlic flavor in the air, and it's delicious. So I'm almost done, and we'll pack up, get out of here, and we'll clean these. Okay, that pack basket is pretty much full, and we got about, I'm gonna say 45 pounds in there. I pushed them down pretty good. You're not going to damage them pushing them down for a short trek, but as you can see, I didn't even put a dent in this patch. I've been coming to this patch for 20 years, and it just keeps getting bigger because I follow that 110 rule. 1/10 a patch, no more. And I can't even take 1/10 of this patch. And actually I have a few other patches I take out of just to even them out. So I'm taking a fraction. This is my patch. Let's hike on out of here, clean these babies up. So somebody might ask, what do you do with 30 to 40 pounds of ramps? You eat them. So this is how you clean them. Basically pull that slimy membrane back, that first layer, pop them hair roots off, and that right there is done. You give them a quick rinse. It's going to be dirt, any bugs that might be on them. And there are your perfectly clean ramps. Now for cooking, the bulbs, I usually cut them right about here, leave a little bit of that red stem with them. These can be diced up, minced up, sauteed with mushrooms are excellent. Just put them, saute them, put them over the top of fish or steak or chicken. Excellent. The greens, you save the rest from where you cut them here. You'll end up with this. I like to cut them up, dice them 2-3 places, so you have good sized pieces like this. Throw them in some melted butter in the frying pan. Fry them up. A little pepper, a little bit of salt. Sometimes you can put mushrooms right with them, saute them together, and you eat them just like that. Or you can put them over the top of something. They're excellent. Tonight I'm going to have venison burgers on the grill if the rain holds off, and I'm going to put the greens sauteed on top of the burgers. Are going to be delicious. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about ramps. Have you had them before? How do you cook them? Any special recipes? I've pickled them before. I make pesto, and I eat them like this. What's your favorite? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching.